In this video, we cover common cookie/session-related errors developers face when deploying on AWS using Python, Flask or Django, HTML frontend, and MySQL, whether you're on EC2, Elastic Beanstalk, or Lightsail. When moving your backend code from a local server to AWS and encountering cookie/session-related issues, the most common causes are related to cookie scope, HTTPS, domains, SameSite settings, and CORS policies. Below is a checklist and setup guide tailored for Python, e.g., Flask or Django, HTML frontend, and MySQL, assuming you're deploying on EC2, Elastic Beanstalk, or similar AWS infrastructure. Common cookie/session errors after moving to AWS. Cookies not being set or sent in requests. Session expired issues even when login is successful. Cross-origin request CORS errors. Secure cookies not working over HTTP. Same-site attribute misconfiguration. Fixes and best practices. 1. Ensure proper cookie attributes. Update how you set cookies in your backend. Flask example. From Flask import Flask, make_response. At app route, /set_cookie. Def set_cookie. RESP equals make_response. Setting cookie. Resp set_cookie. Session_ID. Your_session_ID. Only equals true. Secure equals true only over HTTPS. Same site equals none. If cross-site, else use lax. Max_age equals 60*60*24. Return RESP. Secure equals true required for HTTPS. Avoid on HTTP or localhost. Same site equals none for cross-origin requests, like frontend hosted separately. Only equals true prevents JavaScript from accessing cookies. 2. Use HTTPS in AWS. Cookies with secure flag will not work on HTTP. Ensure you're using HTTPS. Set up SSL/TLS via AWS Load Balancer or ACM, AWS Certificate Manager. Redirect all HTTP traffic to HTTPS. 3. CORS headers. If your frontend and backend are on different domains or ports, e.g., S3 plus EC2. Flask example. From Flask_cores import CORS. App equals Flask. CORS. App. Supports_credentials equals true. Origin sadface. https://your-frontend.com. Or manually. At app after _request. Def apply_cores response. Response.headers. Access control allow origin. Equals https://your-frontend.com. Response.headers. Access control allow credentials. Equals true. Return response. 4. Frontend setup. When using fetch or axios, ensure cookies are sent. JavaScript example. Fetch https://your-backend.com/API/login . Method. Post. Credentials. Include. Important. Headers. Content type. Application/JSON. Body. JSON.stringify. Email. Password. Without credentials. Include. Cookies won't be sent. 5. Session storage in backend. If you're using Flask with flask-session and MySQL or Redis for session storage, configure like from Flask_session import session. App config session_type equals sclalchemy. App config session_sclalchemy equals DB SQL alchemy connection to MySQL. App config session_SameSite equals none. App config session_secure equals true. App config session_only equals true. Session app. Same applies if using Redis as a session store. preferred for scalability. Debugging tips. Use browser DevTools application cookies. Check if cookies are set correctly. Domain, secure, SameSite, HttpOnly. Use logs or a tool like Postman to inspect request headers/cookies. Check network errors and pre-flight options, responses, often missed in SORS setups. Summary checklist. Item. Required. HTTPS, SSL cert. Credentials. Include in Frontend. Secure, SameSite equals none cookies. SORS with access control allow credentials. Session store configured. MySQL/Redis. Like the video if it helped you. Comment below. Subscribe for more backend tips, AWS deployment fixes, and Python tutorials.